Once the card adapter has been initialized with the operational software, the USB stick is not required. The procedure for uploading software to the controller using the adapter is the same as that used for the PCMCIA card. To program operational software into an ML3 controller, turn power off, insert the adapter into the programming slot of the controller, turn unit power on, display will show Set Up. Press up or down arrow key until display reads Load 53XX for Prime Line and Elite Line units, Load 51XX for Thin Line units, or Load 57XX for Natural Line units, where XX represents the software revision. Since this is a Prime Line unit, we will load software version 5370. Press the Enter key. Display will alternate between press Enter and the software revision number you are trying to install. Press the Enter key. Display will show Pro Soft. When complete, display will show Pro Done. Turn unit power off and remove the adapter. With the card adapter initialized with the operational software, it can be used to change the configuration, date, time, or the container ID in the same manner as the PCMCIA card.